Are you new to the world of industrial 3D printing, also called additive manufacturing? Or do you already have first contact with AM and need structured approach to scale your production? Here we have summarized 10 guidelines for your future AM projects. Follow me. Number 1. What's in, that is out. Assure good quality powder. Our team of materials and metallurgy experts continuously develop the DMLS materials based on customer requirements and feedback. Our R&D teams are working on a wide range of future materials such as bronze, pure copper, metallic glasses, lightweight alloys, just to name a few. Number 2. Qualify your production. Qualification is the process of demonstrating that a process is capable of meeting the specified requirements. Industries such as health and medical technology and aerospace are becoming adaptation leaders of AM. The use of AM in safety-critical applications allows for high standards to set the precedent for excellent quality, safety, and reliability. Number 3. Redesign for AM. Use AM to manufacture high-value applications. Design is one of the most important parts of the additive manufacturing process chain. Without good design, every other stage is unpredictable. Design for AM enables you more opportunities that were not possible with conventional manufacturing. Number 4. Check the balance sheet. Realistic check and optimization of cost per part. Our experts have gathered years of experience and, with this web-based application, you will quickly calculate the benefits of AM. You will also gain access to transparent cost and carbon analysis, visual analytics, cost and carbon scenario analysis, and much more. Number 5. Monitor the process. Keep an eye on the process, collect data, analyze, and connect. Performance of metal AM process depend on many factors such as part geometry, process parameter, machine, and materials. There are different monitoring systems that can be assembled on the optic path, on-axis, or can be independent, off-axis. These monitoring systems collect and analyze the light emission of the laser, material interaction, and provide basis for process development and quality controlling. Number 6. Keep the machine fit. Prevent machine downtime and ensure compliance with safety and quality standards. Whether you're just getting started or you're facing challenges with everyday operations, with technical services you will achieve maximum success. Number 7. Strive for scaling. Grow your business and scale your manufacturing. To fully exploit the innovation potential of AM, an integrated digital transformation is required. Production facilities and systems, the production layout, and all of the factory's work processes need to be digitalized. Number 8. Keep your most valuable resources up to date. Technology is nothing without people. Technology is not static. Keep on learning. Number 9. Optimize your process with innovations. Challenge the status quo to do better. Focus on topics throughout the entire AM process chain. From data preparation, machine setup, and the build process itself, including process control, to decommissioning and post-processing of parts. You have an idea and think it might be a good fit? If so, we look forward to hearing from you. Tell us more. Number 10. Establish responsible manufacturing. We exist to accelerate the world's transition to responsible manufacturing with industrial 3D printing. Responsible manufacturing contributes to less material consumption, less overproduction, and less waste. Contact us to establish your responsible manufacturing. Now you know the most important rules. Can't wait to get started on your first project? Get in touch with our experts. We're already excited to hear about your idea.